Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a warm caffeinated beverage but you don't like coffee, then you're gonna want to check out this awesome raspberry caffeinated tea from Yogi. It helps to support energy and focus. It has that rich raspberry tea flavor with a smooth black tea finish. This does contain caffeine, and compared to just a normal sized coffee, normally there is 90 milligrams, this tea bag contains 70 milligrams for a frame of reference. They come individually wrapped, which is helpful. That way you can intersperse it with your different teas, but you never get mixed up which one it is that you're trying to drink. Also, if you want to take it traveling or maybe take it to work, sticking it in your bags, it won't become contaminated with anything else you are carrying. If you're looking for something that tastes like tea, that has that really great fruit flavor, that's warm and comforting, but you also want to have that caffeine, then you're going to want to check out the Raspberry Perfect Energy by Yogi. It's going to give you that caffeine boost, but it's also going to taste like your beloved tea as well. And that's my point of view.